It's Monday. It's time for James Sinclair Artisanal Sudoku. Today's puzzle is going to be called Ramblin' Wreck. Normal Sudoku rules apply. We have dynamic fog, so correctly place digits clear fog from their own cell and possibly other cells. Gross. We have cages, German whispers, V and X sums, and then we also have digits and shaded squares are even, and then black crop key dots. Okay, here we go. What are the options here? So this has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Just gonna put that in there now. Then this has to be even. 2, 4, 6, 8. But it can't be an 8. All right. So let's take a look. Can this? So this is 1. If it's 1, 2, 3, and 7, this would have to be 2, 3. And then this would have to be a 1, which is impossible. And then that would also have to be a 7, which is also impossible. 1, 2, 4, and 6. It could be 2, 4. I'm sorry, 1, 4. This could be 2. No, 1, 4. And then this would be 1, 4, 6, and 2. That's what it has to be. So it has to be this one. So this has to be 1, 4. And then this has to be 2, 6. 2 cannot go next to 1 or 4 on a German whisper, so this is a 6, and then that's a 2. And that puts this as a 1, and then this as a 4. All right, great. Opened up another one. Then down here, this again has to be 1, 2, 3, or 4. But a 3 cannot be on a double black crop key. So this is... So that's 1, 2, or 4. Then this would also have to be 1, 2, or 4, right? No, because if this is 2, 4, 8. Okay. So 2, 4, 8. It could be 1 as well, but that one can't be a 1. That also cannot be an 8. So if there's an 8, it would have to be here, I think. But this is 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4. So that this cannot be a 2. Could this be a 1? 1, 2, 4. Yes, 2, 4, 8. All right, so let's remove some stuff. So cannot have this one. Cannot be this one, or this one, or this one, this one, this one. 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, so it has to be 2, 3, 4, 8. So this is now a 2, 3, which makes this one has to be a 2, so that's a 3, so that's a 4, and this one's an 8. All right, great, did it again. So again, this one has to be 1, 2, 3, or 4, can't be 2, 4, so this has to be 2 or 4, because 1 plus 4 is 5, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so then this is now either a 2 or a 6, and it has to be a 6 based off of that, so that's a 3, and then that would be a 2, which makes this a 5. All right. Okay, this is fun. I'm enjoying this. So then this is 3, 7, or 6, 4. 3, 7, or 6, 4. So that can't be a 3, so that can't be a 7. 7 cannot be on a black crop key. 6, if this was a 6, then this would have to be a 3, which cannot be a 3. So this is now a 4, which puts this as a 6. So we need 8, 9, so that's an 8, and this is a 9. All right. Goodness gracious. So this, let's see. If it were 6, 8, let's just test it out. If this were 6, 8, this would have to be this 6, and this would be a 4, and then this would be an 8. What if it was a 5, 9? If it was a 5, 9, it would have to be 5 here, 9 here, 1 here. All right, let's figure out. Okay, maybe it's time for some Sudoku then. So 6 has to go on one of these two. Okay, so it's a 6, 4, which forces the 6 here, and then that's an 8, so then this is a 4. Okay. 3 is down here, so I think that might force. So we have 4s are going to be here. Maybe this one, okay, so if this is, so this has to be a 7, because it can't be a 6, 8, or 9, so this is a 7. So then this goes down to a 1, because it sees a 2, 3, 4, so that's a 1. All right, what about over here? So this is 6 or 7. No, it can't be a 6. Actually, it could be, because if it goes up. No, it couldn't, because if it goes up or down, it would have to be a 1, but there's already a 1 in this column. So this is a 7. So then this goes down, and it's a 2 or a 3. Okay. All right, so I'm going to pencil mark in some 4s here. Okay, what can this be? So that has to equal 10. It cannot be a 4. Can't be a 6-4 pair. 5's not an option. Let's see, it could be a 1-9 and a 3-7. That can't be a 1, so that cannot be a 9. So yeah, so this is a 1-9 or a 3-7. All right. And the 3 has to be down in this box, but it could still be here. So that's not helpful. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is now a 5-9 pair. Okay. All right, we got a couple 8s up there, which puts 8s here. 9, 8, 7. So 6 has to go here, which puts the 6s up there. Okay. 1s, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8's already there, and then 9's everywhere. Goodness, this is difficult. So 7's would be in the middle. All right, let's see what we can get out of this. So this is a 6-9. Yeah, it's a 6-9. What am I missing? 4s have to go in here. 6, 9 is there. All right. Oh wait. So this is a 9. This has to be a 9. Because if it were 6, it would need to be a 1. And if it was here, here, or here, it can't be the 1, and then the 1 is there. So this is a 9. And then it goes down again. So this is now a 3 or a 4. And it can't be a 3, so it's a 4. Then we go up. And if it's a 4, it has to be paired with a 9. Okay, so this can no longer be a 9, so that can't be a 1, so it's a 3-7 pair. So then this is now a 1, 2, 5. So 3, 7, so this is now a 7. Okay, so then we have 1s have to be down here, so this can no longer be a 1, which forces the 1s into there. 9, so this has to go, so this is now a 1 or a 3. All right, and I don't know if it goes any further than that. All right, so then, oh, this is a 5. Oh, nice. So 6 cannot be in a 12 cage. Well, it can be a 12, but not in a 2. All right, so if it's a 6, this has to be 1 and a 1 on either side of it. And that cannot be a 4 because it would have to be placed with an 8. So the 4 gets placed there. And then 6 cannot be in a, so that's a 6. And then this becomes a 3, 1. So it puts a 2 there. Love this. Okay, so this is an 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So this is now a 4, 5 pair. 1, 2, and then this is a 3, 5, and so it's going to be 3 and 9, and place the 5 there. So then we have 2, 5, 7, which places the 2 here, and then 5, 7 is there. Removes the 5, so this is a 7, and then that's a 5. Okay, great. This is also a 5. We can remove, okay, so this is a 2, that's a 1, that's a 5. All right. 1, 2, so this is a 3, 7, 9. So the 3's here. Okay, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 7, 8, 9, triple. 7, 9, that cannot be a 9. Okay. This is a 2, which places this as a 6. 1, 2, 3, so we need a 4, 5, 8 down here, and this one cannot be an 8. And then this is a 1, which places, so we need a 6, 9, so it's a 6, 9, nice. And then this is a 3, so that's a 1. All right, cool, cool beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we have 7, 9. 7, 9, and both of those would fit against a 1. So 1, this would be a 7, 8, or 9, all right? Yeah, so that's a 7, 8, or 9. What is, so 2's would go here. 3's are everywhere. 3's are here. 4, 5, 6. And then I'll just do 7, 8, 9, and then remove the ones that can't be it. 2, 3. All right, so 7, 9, nothing. Can't remove stuff there. So yeah, that could be any of them. Okay. This would be a 6, 7, or 9. Why did I remove the 6 from this? Oh, because the 6 is in the column. Duh. Okay, so here is a 2, 6, 8, which puts the 8 here. And this is going to be a 6, and that's a 2. So I can move the 2 from there. So then 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. So it puts the 2 here. All right, which solves the 2's. So we're no more 2's in this level. Okay, into this puzzle. What about, all right, this is a 1. 2 is there. This is a 3. That cannot be a 7, because 7 cannot go against the 3 on a German whisper. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5's are up here, which places the 5 in that box. So this is a 4. I'm going to remove that 4 because I can't guarantee that's a 7 yet. 7, 9. Okay. So this has to be an 8 or a 9. All right, let's finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we have 8 and 9. I'm just going to pencil mark them in and then remove the others. Yeah, that has to be an 8 or a 9. 7 cannot go against the 3, so this is a 9. That's a 7, that's a 9, that's an 8, which places this as a 7. Then that's a 9. Okay, so 3, 7. Oh, that's the puzzle right here. 4, 8. This is a 5. 7, 5, 4, 8, 7, 9, 8, 3. That was a very good puzzle. I like that one a lot. Good job, James.